Fiki iso kwenda boniga turunaye boniga tusiko koromurobere tosoke naye twende mpaka Keumbu okonyora matoke naro abantu bakono nerigoririnse okonyora ne chief kazo no chichiraria abantu bakono ndigorinse bagutugutera goso omonto oja okusanya niguniira inki getarakorwa.
There is no structures, there is no structure clear, and that's why even the county governments need to come up with the policies and regulations. Chiko tena chia avocado cheito omoremi ayetwanyore ni gato ochkonguche. So we have to work together with you. We sign kuna bono ntoke to sign, we are going to sign also with the county that you know a county egasia no neri njome egasia nanga nyakora very easy ama good resource mobilizer clearly inu egasia one ni mate team mandate cia kiro muntu inchure tas work na baleta amo kotambeje koleta amo even big four nje na koleta chigabana CS nini na kora big four kwa
matoka ari Keumbu bono motoko mochi machi kugethara
bono is partially I can blame the government. Because the government, national
county government,
both of them. But national government chance. But Karansamo, but come out with the clear market. Ina got very clear. Nationally, but also the regulations. Na kwa resire. At the county level, we collection points. Aggregation points. Asa matoka yako ba collected. Bali ikiwa abafanyikazi abo. At the end of the day digiri ekeroba tuchu sangire matoka ayiga. Chiba strichi kuruororo. Still na mchi wakana bana abayiga. Because bono I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it as Vicky, as an individual, which this thing is supposed to be done by the government. So that's why I got there key. At the end of the day, we have to work with them. I'm permanent and pensionable. I can stop busy. I got Tabanaki, no enchino mobsabo no agriacha, Garitebu atimaguta, which are corrabarimi, Omoremi Atakirocha condraga obisi. Omoremi Utabuatino and affair, Akuraki Umbatera busy, Atakorachakotananaki. No, I'm just saying this is a reality and it's so painful by the way. Because yes, and the corrabarimi and the Babatrana. County commissioner, and I am going to talk to our county commissioner. The good thing, the county commissioner came to my lab, Akara, with the county commissioner of Migori. Akara, we county commissioner of Migori, Erasmus, Chiavacado, Nochi, Maconeta, Matarabo, county commissioner. So he understands. Ekarobachitimba, Rochi, got the county commissioner. What you need to do, go to Arturchi Barasa. Chabachivu, Chabagambi, Chirama Dokorangiru, Bagenda. But when I go to Chivaras Chabagambi, but these officers. Kubeke gari mafuta eke to those barasas is not a big deal. Bagenda abantu baito basomigwa batebigwa rero twacha tadi barasa yoka ya mangana twachiraga lakini ndi twache kwasomya mangana yiga. At the end of the day we go that way. Sincerely speaking ntoko chikoganyana ne president to bono economy ere bobe abantu bagechiri ruto asore omanyabo bantu mbali happy ska njomete na igure ne bana robi ne ba wapi ngugune ba kwa na they so bitter but they are bitter without understanding even naki economy teruto yoko cha kwenye kike asegoika economy igekorosi gutwenzi inche naye tuikarantoro si economy serikali rosi ni building environment erosi chipara erosi igere into kyo market mapema erosi aggregation ya soko ile kwanyora tubwatra nego umontanyo ole besa yae kero montaro si besa yae and at the end of the day then it is easier because through the cooperatives we can be able even kurusia tax ekona serikali which goes the right go to body the tax if you are not giving back to what is supposed to be done
fikia bana kwarata regins wa Jesus ko jinyinge kwaro none javukade jigo konya chire binte bingi korosiwa ningi ndudaro serie binte
birusi akina kweresa na ki value addition last time before was also talking about manufacturing you know naro tati ukone binto as a paper una na kweresa can we do these things practically umanye tatari ogotagete binte binene factory chinene karto achite mu grisi na ne chigavanaekaroba achite bakanona as waste management yani ke whole twege keigo lakini technology we need technology to come and do all these things and this is what we really doing
umeto magavana for example magavana ta kora binte biega so teno naba wa Syria bagirigacha na barabu bafereti kobeka implement bate magavana na bona wika turije tu abere end fruition medene miaka 15 to jokora agisa tu ajorde serikali ye county account ya kisenza kiruwe tena no na sendagira yoka igoto te bena no na ba wa Syria ba mbara beka meroberbia
bono na that's what you know I really don't understand up to now by the way but it's good now I'm talking to our governor we are working together very well kuma tabina ki umwaziri amwaki mbwanga begetu umete naro turi chikero bako be kwara change kubwango igo okora muntu maybe go tara bwata ya sayu I really don't understand and I'm going to understand about it intended thing or akini go work from the side go boli nanaki ntwa ikaransa ne waziri ne chief officer I'm working very well with them ya agriculture and I want to look for your environment because we have to work both of them bon as we are working with your agriculture ntwa cha egento na mwanja richomboli na chamba kelabu akarora inkamote bimose bono nero ngaba obisabaye by the way we are really working very well we are working with the governor with the minister with the Pamera commission of cooperatives the cooperatives now take Douglas Mogaka Dan to it once manyete na achiri round na enda suneka I'm working with the DCC osuneka very well almost what I'm working with the ACC at South Mugrango igono igweta I'm working with the Angera the county commissioner I'm working with the Arori ne county chief conservator ya gaiga no makoko kurwagu I'm working with Nema director ya Nema na bikira banta bonsiamo warorire bono program mbangete sai bunango bunago kwa kinechi skuru kwa kinechi kan chiskuru alisa sibata mali monte ko ba matoke basimike arafu bali batabwati twabaoneria matoka ayu